Hi, I am Shreya, and this is my first full format long YouTube video. So, just giving a little gist about me. I come from Varanasi, a city that somehow manages to hold both chaos and calm in the same breath. And like most girls from brown families, I grew up learning how to behave before I was taught how to breathe. Be quiet, be nice, be ideal, be everything except questioning. But somewhere in between hearing लड़कियां ऐसे नहीं बोलती and मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, I realized no one ever explained why. So here I am in almost my mid-20s, still unlearning, as I was raised to think was normal. And this, as I said, is my first video on Shreology, which is a space I created to talk about things which we never talk about at the dining table. The stories behind our silences and the feelings we hide behind sab theek hai, because growing up in a brown family makes you see everything: your mother's endurance, your father's silence, and your own confusion. And you start to wonder, when did we decide that pain has to be performed differently for both men and women? Who made that rule? They say mard ko dard nahi hota, but what if that's the biggest lie or the scam that we are dealing with? What if strength wasn't born out of courage but out of comparison? What if the entire idea of masculinity was built not to celebrate power but to compete with pain? It came to me during the most ordinary conversations I was having while I was talking to a guy about workouts, about closed hands, the usual, you see. He said his skin was getting rough from lifting heavy weights. I told him, half jokingly, that use gloves, yaar, it'll help. He looked at me and said, gloves are only for women. Mard ko dard nahi hota. I smiled, but that line, it stayed with me. Because that is what made me realize that maybe it doesn't start from power, it starts from insecurity. See, women have always carried pain differently, quietly, rhythmically. Every month, her body tears itself open, heals again. Every childbirth, every cramp, every unspoken ache she endures, it is like a ritual and still goes on making tea, working, do her regular stuff, and which is why there's something terrifyingly beautiful for that, to bleed and to still be gentle. And maybe men saw that, and somewhere deep down it made them uncomfortable because her pain was internal, it was invisible, and yet she survived it gracefully. His pain had to be seen, which is why he began to invent a new kind of strength. He said pain should come from the outside, from swords, from stones, from the weights you lift. He built muscles not just to be strong, but to prove he could bear pain too, the visible kind. Because her suffering could not be measured, he made his measurable. That was how pain became masculine, not through biology but through comparison. It suddenly made somehow scars a medal, bruises, pride, made softness shame. The man who could hurt and not flinch became the hero, and the man who felt, who cried, who healed became weak. It's strange, isn't it? The entire culture of Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota was never really about being strong. It was about proving that she is not stronger, that his pain, though chosen, somehow made it superior to hers, which was natural. But in trying to win the silent battle, he forgot that both kinds of pain, hers and his, came from the same place, the need to survive. And now, men keep hurting themselves physically, emotionally, just to prove a point no one asked them to prove. Rough hands, bruised knuckles, suppressed emotions, all stitched into the idea that to be a man, you must never look tender. But I wonder, what would happen if one day a man simply said that his hand hurts? Would the world fall apart? Would the strength dissolve? Or would he finally be free from the ancient competition that neither sides remember starting? Because I have seen women endure pain without even calling it strength, and I've seen men hide pain just to be called strong. Maybe the real problem was never who could bear more, but who had to prove it. Pain was never gendered, but we are the ones who have made it so. And doing that, we have made the world where females have to endure silently and men have to pretend endlessly. Now, whenever I hear Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota, I don't really hear pride anymore. I hear fear. The fear of being seen as a human. Maybe it's time that we unlearn. Maybe strength isn't in the wounds or the weights, but in the willingness to be free, to feel, to admit, to heal, to hold softness without shame, because no one wins in this race. She bleeds, he bruises, and both are tired of pretending. The pain has to look in a certain way. Maybe one day we will understand that strength doesn't mean not feeling the pain. It means not needing to prove that you can. Well, that's my take on this, and thank you for hearing and watching the entire video. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe.